So what we have here is a 1969 Porsche 912 wiring diagram in color underneath the turn signal and high-low beam switch, the hazard light switch, the ignition switch, and the flashing relay. Now, we've had these all hooked up here through these two light bulbs that we're going to demonstrate the function of these. Basically, the customer complaint was when you turned left signal, the system would blow fuse number, what is it, 3 and 4?
5 and 6.
Fuse number 5 and 6, what relate directly to the hazard and the turn signal switches. Now, we've gone through, and actually he sent us a lot of extra components, and we've actually breadboarded out the hazard light switches, the headlamp switch, which is not in this system now, but we have confirmed that they are all functional. And we're just doing the hazard and turn signal system now. It does also relate to cornering lights, but on this particular system, our customer is not concerned about the cornering lights, just the turn signals. So, Matt, if you'll take it from here.
Mm-hmm. So here's the ignition switch. Right now, of course.
Naturally, things come unplugged.
Okay. Right now, the car is off, but the hazard lights still work. Both of them blink.
Yeah,
the left front and right front is what we're mimicking with those. And turn it off. And because the car's off, the turn signal itself does not work. Nothing happens with that. So now we can turn the car on. And still, we have emergency flashers work. But we also have the turn signal. You can see that only that one is blinking. It's hard to tell.
Yeah, it's hard to tell. Only the left is blinking, but go ahead and do our right.
And then there's right.
And there's right. Okay. All right. So, yeah, key off. The emergency flashers have to work because, you know, you're going to be out of your car with the flashers on. And key on, they still work, and so does the turn signal system. Now, because this has four-way flashers, this is the more complex version of the 912 switch. And it also has a function where it fires cornering lights on a USA version car. But we were looking throughout this system for a short. And at this point, we have proven that all of the components are functioning correctly. And so all we can say is this short must be in the car somewhere. Now, additionally, this particular vehicle had an additional scabbed-on wire here. This is actually a power supply for an ignition switch that we don't have. There is an ignition switch that has a number 57A terminal on it, which powers up cornering lights. But the cornering lights are not really a functional, I mean, they're kind of ridiculous. The cornering lights also come on as the running lights at night. So, and it's the same bulb and same filaments. So a bit confusing there, but it's certainly the problem is not there. So we've done our duty. We have shown that all the components that he shipped us are correct. And we thank you for watching this video. Is there anything else, Matt, that left out? All right. Thank you very much.